Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to reorder widgets on your cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, let's take a look on the actual order of the widgets. I will wake up my cover screen and start swiping to the left. First one is calendar and second is weather. Now, let's change it. For that, we would need to open our phone and open settings. Then scroll down until you will see this tab which is named cover screen. Click on it and here you'd be able to see this tab which is named widgets. Click on it and also here you can see this button reorder. Click on it and change the widgets just as you want. For example, I will change the weather with the calendar, just like this. And for example, I will put alarm on the third place. Now, after you're done, click on this arrow to save the changes. And let's take a look on our new order of the widgets. Now I have wake up my cover screen, and if I swipe to the left, first one we see the weather, second is calendar, and third is alarms. And that's it. Now you know how to reorder the widgets. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.